Do you often find yourself squinting at screens or struggling with blurry vision? Our eyes are invaluable assets, yet we often neglect their well-being. What if I told you that nature provides an array of solutions to protect and enhance your vision? In this insightful journey, we delve into the realm of herbal remedies, uncovering 5 potent herbs celebrated for their remarkable benefits on eye health, from combating inflammation to shielding against oxidative stress. These herbs offer a natural sanctuary for your eyes. Join us as we explore the transformative power of nature's bounty on your vision. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Eyebright, unveiling nature's visionary marvel. In the realm of herbal remedies for eye health, few hold as illustrious a reputation as Eyebright. Aptly named for its profound impact on vision, scientifically known as Euphrasia officinalis, this botanical wonder has been revered for centuries for its remarkable ability to alleviate various eye ailments. At the heart of Eyebright's therapeutic prowess lies its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a cherished ally in the quest for ocular wellness. Studies have elucidated its capacity to soothe the cornea, the transparent layer covering the front of the eye, thus offering respite from discomfort and irritation. Moreover, Eyebright emerges as a stalwart defender against the perils of UV radiation, which can wreak havoc on delicate ocular tissues. Research suggests that this herb may effectively shield the eyes from the harmful effects of sun exposure, mitigating the risk of inflammation and damage. But perhaps the most compelling evidence of Eyebright's efficacy lies in its synergistic potential when combined with rose extracts. A study revealed that when administered as eye drops alongside rose extracts, Eyebright exhibited remarkable prowess in alleviating symptoms of eye inflammation, including redness, burning, and swelling. This potent combination offers a beacon of hope to individuals grappling with ocular discomfort, providing much-needed relief and rejuvenation. Beyond its immediate soothing effects, Eyebright harbors long-term benefits for maintaining optimal eye health. By curbing inflammation and fortifying ocular defenses, this visionary marvel stands as a formidable guardian against a myriad of eye conditions, from strain and infection to inflammation and fatigue. Moreover, Eyebright's holistic approach to eye care extends beyond symptom management to encompass proactive measures for long-term wellness. By nurturing ocular tissues and bolstering their resilience, this botanical ally lays the foundation for clearer, sharper vision and a brighter outlook on life. As we delve deeper into the rich tapestry of Eyebright's therapeutic benefits, it becomes evident that this humble herb holds immense promise for those seeking natural solutions to enhance and safeguard their vision. Whether you suffer from occasional eye discomfort or simply wish to preserve the precious gift of sight, Eyebright beckons as a beacon of hope and healing in a world brimming with botanical wonders. In the quest for ocular wellness, let us heed nature's call and embrace the transformative potential of Eyebright, unveiling the secrets of its visionary marvel and ushering in a future illuminated by the radiance of healthier, happier eyes. Number 2. Bilberry, nature's antioxidant powerhouse. Step into the enchanting world of bilberry, a botanical gem celebrated for its exceptional antioxidant properties and profound benefits for eye health. Scientifically known as Vicinium myrtillus, bilberry stands as a testament to nature's boundless capacity to nurture and protect our vision. At the heart of bilberry's therapeutic allure lies its rich concentration of anthocyanins, a class of flavonoids renowned for their potent antioxidant effects. These vibrant pigments not only lend bilberry its distinctive hue, but also serve as formidable guardians against oxidative stress, a primary culprit behind age-related eye conditions and visual impairment. Studies have elucidated the remarkable efficacy of bilberry in combating eye fatigue, a common affliction in our digital age characterized by prolonged screen time and visual strain. By replenishing vital nutrients and fortifying ocular tissues, bilberry offers respite to weary eyes, restoring clarity and vitality to vision. Furthermore, bilberry's protective effects extend beyond mere symptom management to encompass proactive measures for long-term ocular wellness. Research suggests that regular consumption of bilberry may reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, two prevalent eye conditions that can significantly impair vision and quality of life. Much like its botanical cousin, the blueberry, bilberry serves as a potent ally in the fight against age-related vision decline. Its antioxidant-rich profile not only shields our ocular tissues from free radical damage, but also supports overall eye health, fostering clearer, sharper vision and a brighter outlook on life. Moreover, bilberry's versatility lends itself to various forms of consumption, from fresh berries to supplements and extracts, offering individuals a convenient and accessible means of harnessing its therapeutic benefits. Whether enjoyed as a delicious snack or incorporated into daily wellness routines, bilberry invites us to embrace the transformative power of nature's bounty on our journey to healthier eyes and enhanced vision. As we delve deeper into the intricate tapestry of bilberry's therapeutic wonders, it becomes evident that this botanical powerhouse holds immense promise for those seeking natural solutions to safeguard and rejuvenate their vision. From combating oxidative stress to supporting ocular vitality, bilberry emerges as a beacon of hope and healing in a world brimming with botanical treasures. In the quest for clearer vision and ocular wellness, let us heed nature's call and embrace the nourishing properties of bilberry, unlocking the secrets of its antioxidant prowess and ushering in a future illuminated by the radiance of healthier, happier eyes. Number 3. Dandelion, the unsung hero of eye health. Amidst sun-kissed meadows and verdant fields, the unassuming dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, stands as a testament to nature's resilience and healing prowess. Often overlooked amidst its more glamorous botanical counterparts, dandelion quickly asserts itself as a formidable ally in the pursuit of ocular wellness. What sets dandelion apart is its rich nutritional profile, brimming with essential vitamins and antioxidants crucial for optimal eye health. Abundant in vitamins A and C, dandelion bestows upon its consumers a potent elixir for ocular vitality. Vitamin A, renowned for its role in maintaining vision and promoting healthy retinal function, finds a steadfast ally in dandelion, ensuring the preservation of visual acuity even in the face of environmental stressors. Moreover, dandelion boasts a bounty of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A and a powerful antioxidant in its own right. By neutralizing free radicals and shielding ocular tissues from oxidative damage, beta-carotene offers a robust defense against age-related vision decline and degenerative eye diseases. But dandelion's therapeutic repertoire extends beyond its antioxidant prowess. Rich in polyphenols, bioactive compounds renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, dandelion serves as a soothing balm for weary eyes. Chronic inflammation, a common precursor to various ocular ailments, finds itself quelled by dandelion's gentle embrace, paving the way for clearer vision and enhanced ocular comfort. Furthermore, dandelion's role in regulating blood pressure holds profound implications for ocular health. Hypertension, a silent harbinger of ocular afflictions, such as hypertensive retinopathy, finds itself thwarted by dandelion's beneficial effects on cardiovascular function. By maintaining optimal blood pressure levels, dandelion mitigates the risk of vascular damage to ocular tissues, ensuring uninterrupted blood flow to the eyes and safeguarding against vision impairment. In essence, dandelion emerges as a humble yet potent ally in the quest for ocular wellness. From its nutrient-rich leaves to its vibrant yellow blossoms, every part of the dandelion plant harbors therapeutic potential waiting to be unlocked. As we navigate the intricate tapestry of holistic health, let us not overlook the unsung heroism of dandelion, but rather embrace its transformative power in nurturing healthier, happier eyes. Number 4. Turmeric, golden elixir for vision vitality. Step into the radiant world of turmeric, Curcuma longa, where the golden hues of this revered herb illuminate the path to ocular wellness. Celebrated for its multifaceted healing properties, turmeric stands as a beacon of hope for those seeking to fortify their vision and embrace a brighter tomorrow. At the heart of turmeric's therapeutic arsenal lies curcumin, a potent antioxidant renowned for its ability to combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Within the intricate tapestry of ocular tissues, curcumin emerges as a guardian angel, shielding delicate structures from the ravages of free radicals and environmental toxins. Studies have showcased curcumin's profound efficacy in warding off cataracts, a common age-related vision ailment characterized by clouding of the eye's lens. By intercepting the molecular cascade that precipitates cataract formation, curcumin offers a glimmer of hope to individuals grappling with vision impairment, paving the way for clearer, sharper eyesight. But turmeric's therapeutic reach extends beyond the realm of cataracts, encompassing a myriad of inflammatory and degenerative eye conditions, from glaucoma to diabetic retinopathy. Turmeric emerges as a stalwart ally in the battle against vision decline, offering respite to those navigating the complexities of ocular health. Moreover, turmeric's versatility knows no bounds, as it seamlessly integrates into various culinary and medicinal applications. Whether sprinkled liberally into savory dishes or brewed into soothing teas, turmeric infuses every sip and every bite with its golden essence, imparting a touch of vitality to both body and soul. For those seeking more potent dosage, turmeric supplements offer a convenient solution to harnessing the herb's full therapeutic potential. From capsules to tinctures, the market abounds with options tailored to individual preferences and needs, ensuring that turmeric's benefits are accessible to all who seek them. In essence, turmeric emerges as a golden elixir for vision vitality, offering a ray of hope amidst the darkness of vision decline. As we embrace the transformative power of this revered herb, let us embark on a journey towards clearer vision, sharper focus, and a future brimming with possibility. With turmeric by our side, the path to ocular wellness shines brighter than ever before. Number 5. Ginkgo, harnessing nature's wisdom for clearer vision. Embark on a journey through ancient forests and verdant landscapes to discover the venerable ginkgo, Ginkgo biloba, revered for millennia for its profound impact on eye health. While technically not an herb, but a leaf extract derived from the Ginkgo biloba tree, ginkgo earns its place among nature's visionaries for its remarkable benefits on ocular wellness. Central to ginkgo's therapeutic prowess are its potent antioxidants, which serve as vigilant guardians against inflammation and oxidative stress. These bioactive compounds traverse the intricate network of ocular tissues, neutralizing free radicals and fortifying the eye's natural defenses against age-related vision decline. Scientific research offers compelling evidence of ginkgo's efficacy in enhancing visual acuity and preserving ocular health. A review article highlighted its potential in combating age-related macular degeneration, a progressive condition that can lead to irreparable vision loss, by bolstering retinal function and safeguarding against degenerative changes. Ginkgo emerges as a beacon of hope for those navigating the complexities of ocular aging. Furthermore, ginkgo's benefits extend to individuals grappling with glaucoma, a leading cause of blindness worldwide. A 2012 study revealed that Ginkgo biloba extract, when combined with anthocyanin extracts, yielded improvements in vision for individuals with normal tension glaucoma. By enhancing blood flow to the optic nerve and reducing intraocular pressure, ginkgo offers respite to those contending with this sight-stealing condition. Beyond its direct impact on ocular health, ginkgo exerts a myriad of systemic benefits that contribute to overall well-being. From enhancing cognitive function to improving circulation, ginkgo stands as a testament to nature's boundless wisdom and resilience. As we navigate the labyrinth of holistic health, let us heed the timeless wisdom of ginkgo and embrace its transformative potential in nurturing clearer vision and a brighter outlook on life. The journey through these 5 remarkable herbs has unveiled nature's profound capacity to nurture and protect our vision. From eyebright's soothing embrace to turmeric's golden elixir, each herb offers a unique blend of antioxidants and nutrients, essential for ocular wellness. Let us embrace the wisdom of these botanical marvels and integrate them into our daily lives, fostering clearer vision and a brighter outlook on the world around us. If you found this exploration enlightening, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and take care. And we'll see you in the next video.